Hey guys, welcome you all in a new video, and if you're watching this video then I'm sure your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock, and you have watched a lots of video on YouTube and other different platforms to unlock your smartphone, but still now you're not successful to unlock your smartphone. So don't worry at all. By this new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end, okay? Because this method is very useful for the every consumer, because the main thing is that of this video you're not going to losing a single data of your smartphone, and the main thing is that you don't have to pay a single penny for this trick. You don't need any computer application, and you don't have to reset your smartphone. Okay, so let's start this method. This method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly you will have to switch off your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network, and for this simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this. You will get an option of airplane mode. Okay, simply you will have to activate this airplane mode option. Okay, and if you're not getting this airplane mode option, then you may also eject your SIM card from your smartphone. Okay, now after activating your phone's airplane mode, your phone's all the network will be switched off. Now you can see here all the network has been disabled now, like Wi-Fi network and telecommunication network. After this simply you will have to slide your phone upside like this. Now you can see here this phone is locked due to forgotten password lock. Okay, now you can see here there is an option of an emergency call option. Simply you will have to click on this, and you will have to open your phone's dialing pad like this. Now I'm going to give you a special USSD code which will switch your phones to the master unlocking mode page, or it's also known as engineers mode page. Okay, and this USSD code is *899 then hash. Okay, now you can see here after feeding this USSD number, a new page has been appeared, and the page name is engineers mode page. Okay, you will get a lots of option on this page, but you will have to go with the option of a manual test option. Okay, simply you will have to click on this, and at the first time when you will click on this, it will reach to a new page. Just a minute. *899 then hash, then go to the manual test option. Okay, now you will get a option of engineers mode, and you will also get a 3 type of option on this page. Okay, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to continue. You will have to continue slide your phone right side until you reach to the option of others, which will come at the end of the slide. Okay, now you can see here others option has been appeared on my phone display. Okay, now you will get a 5 type of option on this page, but you will have to go with the option of database version, which is showing at the 4th number. Okay, simply you will have to click on this database version 9 times rapidly. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now the first step has been done. After this you can see here the second option is showing here read write important lock test option. Simply you will have to click on this, and at the first time when you will click on this, it will ask to confirm here, but you don't have to confirm. Simply you will have to cancel this option. Again at the second time you will have to do the same, cancel this, but at the third time when you will click on this, you will have to go with the OK button. And when you will go with the OK button, you will get a pop-up of wrong password. You can see here it means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. Okay, but before going to the home page, you will have to do this one more thing with your smartphone, and the main thing is that simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this. This is the last step, and you will have to reach to the option of device debugging option. You can see here device debugging option is showing here. Now after this you will have to go with the option of sensor self-test and calibration option, which is showing at the 6th number. Simply you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this, it will show you 2 option or 3 option or 1 option, and all the option will be showing here. Operation not started, you can see here, but simply you will have to start these operations by clicking on these option, and you will have to continue click on these option until you get a single test passed message in green color. Okay, so I am going to click on this. You can see here test has been started, test failed, test has been started, and test passed. You can see here a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone display. It means this smartphone is completely unlocked. But before going to the back option, simply you will have to go with the last step, and the last step is simply you will have to slide your phone right side, and you will have to again reach to the option of others. Sorry. And again you will have to go with the option of a key status option, which is showing at the 3rd number. Simply you will have to click on this, And when you will click on this, you can see here all the keys are showing here pass. It means your smartphone is completely unlocked. Now after this, simply you will have to go with the home button, which is showing at the bottom of the phone. Simply you will have to click on that home button, so I'm going to do it. Now you can see here this smartphone is completely unlocked, and all the application which were in my smartphone and all the document which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone. So this trick really works. And if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. And if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of this video, then make us comment which type of issues you are facing and join us our channel. Our team will quick response on your issues with the help of WhatsApp video call. Thank you so much.